While we were going through the divorce process, things started to get pretty rocky. We were both frustrated. It seemed like the paperwork was just tying us down.
Like a paper anchor.
The biggest obstacle was knowing what to do after we filed with the court. I filed a petition and he filed a response, but we didn't know what to do next. We weren't really fighting. We just wanted to go our separate ways.
I wanted to move to Florida.
Once we filed our first papers and our disclosure documents, we knew we could file an ad-issue memorandum and get a hearing date with the court and see a judge, but we didn't think it was necessary. We agreed on everything.
They didn't tell me it cost an arm and a leg to file.
Well, anyway, one day we came to the self-help center, and they explained to us that if we filed an apparent stipulation and waiver form, that would let the court know that we were in agreement. And then we could complete our case with a judgment, just as long as that judgment addressed all the issues that I addressed in my petition. That way, we wouldn't need a court hearing date. They gave us a booklet that contained forms and some instructions, and once we filled the documents out, we dropped them off at the clerk's office.
They have a bucket system.
Within about 72 hours, we received our papers back. Our judgment had been filed, and it told us the day that our divorce would be final. That was a big relief. And we've been lucky enough to stay on good terms afterwards.
I live in Florida now.
That helps us stay on good terms.
Once a response is filed, if you and your spouse do not agree on the issues, either party may submit an ad-issue memorandum to obtain a trial. If you have come to an agreement, you may file an appearance stipulation and waiver form. If both people agree, you may finish your case by completing a judgment packet and submitting it to the court. You can obtain a judgment packet from our self-help center on the first floor or download the forms from our website.